Hey everyone, it's Storm Tracking HQ here with another video. We have another severe thunderstorm warning video, and let's get into this. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Brandon, South Dakota, and Wilmington, Minnesota until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This storm does contain 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, so this is considerable. Your hazards are winds up to 70 mile per hour, hail, penny size possible. Population is about 275,000. Schools, 87. 12 hospitals are included. And let's go over your towns. Sioux Falls in this town right here. Valley Springs, South Dakota is included. Crooks, South Dakota. Legs, South Dakota. Harrisonburg, South Dakota. Cannon, South Dakota. Fairview, South Dakota. Inwood, Iowa. Rockville Valley, Iowa. Wildwood, Iowa. Spiritwood, Spin, Minnesota. If you are in this warning, and first of all, if you watched my yesterday's video on this severe thunderstorm warning, it was in effect until about I think 12:15 in the morning. You guys need to be doing the exact same thing I said yesterday. Report all of this to your local NWS. Oh, Garrison Sun. Did I say that one? Garrison Sun, South Dakota, by the way, isn't good at this. So advise everyone here who is in this warning to please report if you see any damaging winds, down trees, down power lines, or anything that's damaging related to the wind. Please report that to your local NWS or law enforcement. When it comes to the hail, please report that to your local NWS or law enforcement. That being said, this is Storm Tracking HQ signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and goodbye.